Ebushamo akwaba about to my GH and 20th Enra the 19th of July and FIFA day na Kensi ni na ba na wiye who say Spain emerge as the winners of the FIFA World Cup 2026. Now obi himself FIFA dey e dey kabom odo and eba but over Ghana FIFA World Cup here by the beef and a Ghana for to the sense and now we can see beef cost between Prophet Opambo and that choir of the nations Prophet 1. And after you know, Prophet Adum Chidi at the voice of God no enyas and ketwa as I beef we know say yeah papa mahama mbemua and share beef no enya de eba na wiye da because enkofo di beef no nkomo sela na ekonko ho ne de na aginyame na beef no ano di nti no asofo bebre omodo mo ho share ball no no along the way they have to quit, they have to opt out, they just moved out. Oman Krobia who say Prophet Telvinsoa who was doing very well at the beginning of the match by the last encounter now fano obeti chirimu nienti ya DCABC one funny better to the sense it was a old journey free game Prophet Roger Prophet testimony ebuzia better because some of you are able with the tough guys but the nature of the pressure FIFA World Cup by and I know they to the sense for the sake of their church and for the sake of their family they just need to let it go and they let it go. But there were some people who remain very strong, bold, and confident even to the end of the match. Obi said Prophet Erikuche Buahini, Prophet Bosheba, and after Nana Ayebiafo, Jnana. Sank of what 3 way Oman day. Now, as a matter of fact, Yabobo Nevio, and for someone in 3 as I say, one of the prediction fire. And I want to come say a fire because a bit didn't come say a moon here say for the Mohobe say boom and more quaniba. All to say, we should just say Messi Krana or your player no the put no the command Roman pastor and the boss umpire man. It is okay say Master for Mundi Bomudia or Monty as I say pastors can pray for them, but they should not focus on it. Or what are they trying to say? So now, and I'm going to say a prophet Uchi, any prophet Bosheba pet and a can say Spain and a befa. Apart from which they are canning United say Argentina and a befa. And you see my compilation be a person with the best level. So to was we the last meal me bro. The person with you dear papa na ye be afu Jnana ebeka ye their prophet Bosheba so everybody to near we are. Let us all gather around the table near settle scores.
Then your message since when about World Cup Black Stars home and Samusha say
I started talking me say me come Black Stars 2021.
2021.
That's it.
Okay. It is who follow the trend and some more kano emunia a vision now who and all that.
Yes, most of them. Most of them. I would say all of them. Yes, most of them.
Okay.
All of them has come true. Okay. You know, let me quickly send you something so that you will rate for me.
Okay.
Which is one of the year Matura Tour 2021. It's about prophecy. Timothy Timothy
2021.
I think 2021.
Okay, international say I don't see where say this is 3rd March 2021 and probably 8:40.
Thank you.
And now the 2 Timothy chapter 4 verse 18. Prophecy near Ghana will not do well in the coming World Cup, but they will qualify again for the 2026 World Cup, which they must do everything possible to win their first match and go through with England. If they miss their first match, they will miss everything in the group stage because that is their only breakthrough.
So I've kept this word for a long time.
Okay.
And from 2021, I still mention that their only breakthrough is Panama. Their first match.
Okay.
Which I've never missed and I've never changed my word.
Okay.
And even at that time, 2021, they were now going to play the 2022 World Cup.
Okay.
America said they won't do well. So if they won't do well at that World Cup, how will I know they will meet England?
Okay.
How will I know England will beat their group?
There's no way say
that is it. How will I know? Say they'll fall in the group with
exactly,
England.
yeah.
But I already know and prophesy about it. Say they'll be in a group with England.
And this is a screenshot. I the timer.
The time. So that is why, you know, when you write something that it doesn't lie.
Okay.
It doesn't lie.
Okay.
Because time I watch it all year, data watch it all year, it will be there.
Battery crap percentage and I see. So which one is this?
You see?
Ghana and Madagascar match.
Yes.
Which one was that?
So I prophesied that was that is AFCON. But not Ghana and Madagascar kushana misi match yom kobu yom bebo 0-0.
Okay.
And it came out. The outcome was 0-0.
That is true.
And even under it, I gave another prophecy.
Okay. Yes, that's another vision. mentioned, Ghana must not lose their first match in the World Cup 2026. They need prayer and spiritual directions.
That is it.
Not to miss the one lucky goal.
The
they
one
have
lucky
to go
goal. Did you hear me say the one
lucky goal? Wow.
So
and
if
we know kind of 23rd March 2025.
That is it. Into this one lucky goal, no. I've said
so you saw one lucky goal coming.
That's it. I've said it time again and again and again. Say, misses a chance now. It means that is why people have misquoted, people have cut, people have edited, and they say Apostle Bosheba said Ghana will lose, their match against Panama, England, and then Croatia. Because my word is that if you miss your first match, you miss all.
No. That
is it.
Okay, Replit is thinking. It's actually writing the whole thing right now. Okay, it's ready. Let's see.
Wow. Right. Inti say Rebecca for Afofrona in the end in the World Cup and Ankasa more side now Ebeko.
World Cup Nankasa is for Spain.
Oh my
Spain,
God.
no?
Yes, it's for Spain. Said they make Argentina and a last World Cup. Because said before they will take the world, they have to lose their first match.
Okay.
And it happened. Spain there, but FIFA and some people are doing a meeting. I will bring the details of that meeting.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Yes, there's a meeting going on right now.
I see.
With FIFA and a country.
Yeah, maybe see.
Yes.
Yeah, Betty and Sana Wako.
Yes. Oh no. I'll come and talk about it.
Oh, you come back and tell us.
Yes.
As much as chill. The
meeting is going on. They have not ended. They've not concluded the meeting. That is it. Because almost concluded meeting and we said no. FIFA be bua country where man.
Nah, say.
That is it.
Oh, okay.
Because almost person almost honor will be not the retire.
When the prophet Bosheba Komoko diye. Ansa na ye wie World Cup no when you say what chance on this video afi yan kohwe na ye bia fo nso de videos ahodo o ye gu ho no mo ansa na ye wie FIFA World Cup no
me obi a mention any ball to be honest with you Ghana a players we yi abedi play ba na ife ne sen Jordan Ayew to nchen ena Kudus ena hwan bio Thomas Partey omo na yan kohwe me nim obi a me ball me nim obi a menya fan of football. Yes, I do wake up. You know, hey, and to be a person happy. But menya fan of football. Me nim ball mu. Me ya kra na ya da me pe ball. Ye da go near you. But ye ni me ball me nim. Enya me passion. You both me hear ball. They wake up. Yes, sir. Me nhwe. And come here. But stars and can say Argentina the best year winning a year 2026. A year wake up. I said it 2023. And in the 2026 year, January 8th, may I me forecasting. And I start on sign prediction about say second position no ebe Spain. And a third position ebe France. And I said this Makana 3 years ago. And I this year back confirm me. To be honest with you, I am not a prophet. I deal with numbers. Me a numerologist. Me an astrologer. I'm a psychic. I'm a seer. I'm a life coach. They may no based on normal writings be we are able to tell the future. Now we are UK Prime Minister. My time is resigning. Go and listen to what I said. I said it. Iran for or most supreme leader. I said it this year. Say he will be killed. Go and check. And to acquire Israel for any US for any Iran for. I said this before this happened. The mature and say the stars do not lie. Do you be follow me a child? You know. So as today and then 10 July, there has not been any contradictory message be a stars and eka. So what it means is say they make kind be 3 years ago say stars and say Argentina and a be win na Spain atoso mienu na France atoso miensa no ensesa but it doesn't mean say me nyankopon. I am not God. Anything can happen. But me, I have been dealing with the stars for a very long time, and I know say the stars do not lie. Yes, as a prediction no star readings no at times it will be quiet ultimo mix it adia baako bi na ma result na best. So me say me get forecast and prediction na bibi ensia. I'm not so trouble because at the end of the day no, I'm not God. I'm not a prophet. Me kan yankopon bi na aka gu matum say me ba Jnana braha When I catch a man for say Argentina and win it, God did not tell me anything. I'm not a prophet. And 3 years ago, starts and I can't say 2026 World Cup. Argentina will win. Spain better to me, and I find better to me and say, or more money bomb, me back end, or nimbo mu fine pie because no you more mass TV. And many no call airport. I know about family airport and and I need to come okay. No say, hey, daddy. Once I'm not kind now, I baby at the corner. Because see, stars and it works amazingly. The ideal. Argentina, France, Spain, and I say AB Argentina, man could she and 10 baby back when you back one film. But it is just go close. Me boy, because me nimu mekano. Me nimu because football is polar now. Understanding. Say no or you program be krana. Na obi kas Papa be can say you know the way at the corner. Say oh check here. Say you know Argentina match. They're going to win according to their stars. France there. When it's Spain, it's Spain they're winning runner. Even I win in North the day before yesterday. Is it Spain? Until mommy is saying you know winning. Okay? And until I'm free, I know more cause assisting as well. About no more call money, no more call money. So at the end of the day, no, who said that France, I mean Spain, and Argentina, and never go finance. France never run. Do we na Argentina and Spain never go finance. Or more finance than Argentina by winning. Na Spain never 2. Na France is only another team so I